A charlotte is a beautiful cake that is perfect for taking on a picnic. The inside is Bavarian cream, and the outside is made from these, Ladyfingers. This is cake flour. It's less protein and lighter than regular flour. And this is potato starch. It adds a lovely satiny texture in cooking. Egg yolks for richness. And I need egg whites for the stunning lightness that is a really good ladyfinger cookie. Separate eggs when they're cold, but then fluff them up when they're room temperature. Adding an acid like lemon juice or cream of tartar will help your egg whites fluff up even more and really hold their shape. I have to add my sugar slowly, otherwise it'll flatten my snowy peaks. Stiff peaks like the tip of Mount Everest. Not mixing, not beating, but folding with egg whites, keeping all of that air in there. Folding again for the flour. Important to take your time here. Trust me, it will be worth it. I need a nice big piping bag for the perfect ladyfinger size. It's so airy. Really important to use parchment paper because these are sticky. Dusting these with a little bit of icing sugar makes them even lighter. Into the oven, ladies. Beautiful. And light, airy, and chewy. That is a good ladyfinger. But Jessica, that's a lot of ladyfingers to wedge into a pan for a charlotte. Check this out. A line of ladyfingers touching each other. Rows of ladyfingers for the outside of the cake, and spirals for the inside. These need to go in the oven, and then, not one, but 2 delectable flavors of Bavarois, or Bavarian cream. Charlottes are sweet and elegant cakes that are perfect for the most sophisticated of picnics. Look at my lovely ladyfingers. They are the outside of my charlotte cake. And these are going to separate layers of cream on the inside. 2 flavors, vanilla rum and blackberry. No seeds in my Bavarois. Now this delectable puree is gonna go right into a silky custard. First, egg yolks and sugar. I've gently heated some milk and vanilla beans, and I'm gonna add that slowly so I don't get scrambled eggs. Now this needs to go back on the heat to warm up gently. Bavarois, or Bavarian cream, is thick and rich and it holds its shape. So I need gelatin, which I've just left soaking to really soften it up. Now here is where 1 Bavarois becomes 2. Blackberry Bavarois and vanilla rum Bavarois. Next, whipped cream. Remember how my egg whites were whipped to Everest peaks? Same for the whipped cream. This is gonna be luscious. Remember my row of ladyfingers? My tin's covered in parchment paper. It's gonna make it so much easier to get out later. Now for the base. And now I'm ready for that luscious Bavarian cream. Delicious, but not quite finished. Call me the queen of finishing touches.